Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain about exist method of file class in Java. So let's get started. Exist method is one of the predefined methods of file class in Java, and using this exist method, using this exist method, we can check the availability availability of the file at the given path. Okay, what is the use of this exist method? With the help of this exist method, we can find the availability. Is a file available at the given path or not? So if the file is available, exist method will return true. Okay, if the file is available at the given path, exist method of file class will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now let me demonstrate this exist method and how to use this exist method to find whether a particular file is available at the given path or not. With practical demonstration, let me explain. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. So this is a program we have written in the previous session, guys, where we have written the code for representing a file. Okay, for representing one of the file, we have created this program, right? So here you see, using by creating an object for the file class, and here inside the file constructor I have given the path of the file. So here file1 is object reference, which is referring to the object of this particular file, which is referred by this path. Now I want to find out whether this particular file is really available here at this given path or not. So here the file name is abc in this example, and txt.txt is the extension. Is this particular file really available at this path? Is this particular file really available at this path? We can find it out, guys. You see, in my computer machine, manually I can find out without program, okay, without writing the Java program, we can find it manually first. So go to the C drive users in my username folder, in that OneDrive folder in the desktop, okay. Then we have this folder A, and that ABC is there. Let's find out, let's go there. Let me go to the C drive, in that go to the users folder, in that username folder. After that, what is the next one? In that username folder, in that OneDrive, we have to go inside the OneDrive folder. So where do we have that OneDrive? Yeah, this is a OneDrive folder, right? Let's go inside the OneDrive folder. Inside the OneDrive folder, we have something like desktop. Okay, go inside the desktop. Now, inside the desktop, we have to go to the folder A. Here we have folder A. Let's go to the folder A, guys. Here, this is the folder A. Inside the folder A, do we have this file, abc.txt file? At this given path under the folder A, yes, we have this abc.txt file. Now, let's find out whether this exist method is working fine or not, okay? I'll write here something like this, file1 dot exists, okay? File1 dot exists. If this particular file is really available, exist method will return true. Otherwise, exist method will return false. So here, the return type of this exist method is boolean value. So I'll write boolean status is equal to like this and just print it out. Okay, I'll print out the status. If the file is really available at this given path, when you are representing this particular file using the file class, and at this file path, if the file is really available, if this file path is correct, then automatically the status will be returned as true. The exist method will, you see, using the object reference of the file class, file1.exist, I am saying it will return true in this example. And true should be printed, guys. Let's run this code and see whether true is getting printed or not. You see, true got printed. What if I give, instead of ABC, if I give DEF? Under this folder A, under this particular path, do you have this def.txt file? No, right? But I'm giving this def.txt file. In this case, what will happen? File1.exist, this exist method will return false because this particular file is not available at this particular path. So false should be printed in this case. Okay, like this false will be printed. Now what I will do is I'll change it back to abc.txt for a while. And instead of writing the code like this, I'll write something like this. Okay, the better way I'll write. If condition I'll use, if, okay, starting of the if block, ending of the if block. Here I'll be writing file1 dot exists, file1 dot exists. If this exists is returning true, we'll go into the if block. And here I'll be printing file is available at the given path or represented path. Else, I'll print out system.out.println file is not available. Otherwise, simply I'll say file is available, file is not available. File is available, file is not available. Simple. Okay. You see, in case of abc.txt file, that file is available at this folder path, right? So it will print. You see, exist method will return true, because of which I will go into the if block and file is available will be printed. If I give def.txt, which is not there at the given path, file is not available will be printed. Okay, file is not available will be printed. Again, I will change it to abc.txt. And here, instead of writing this much code, we can also write in a more better way also. Okay, here I have reduced, I will try to reduce this amount of code. Okay, so I'll simply write file1 directly. I'll write print statement directly, guys. Inside the print statement, I'll write file1 dot exists. I'll put question mark, and here I'll write file is available. Then here I'll write colon. Here file is not available. File is not available. That's it. Okay. So like this, if I write, I don't have to write this much of code. Just one line is enough. Okay. If the file exists, since this question mark colon is there. Okay. Since this particular, we are using the short form, right? Okay. So what will happen here? If it is returning true, this will be printed. Okay. This will be printed by println statement. If it is returning false, file is not available will be printed. So this ternary operator, right? Ternary operator. This ternary operator, using which you see file is available is getting printed. Now if I give def or something which is not there at the given path, it should work fine. File is not available is printed. So you can follow any of these ways, guys. But simple thing, exist method will return true if the file is available at the given path. Exist method will return false if this file path is at this file path the file is not available. Okay, in that case it will return false. Now using that return thing, the boolean value, you can write this logic or this logic to print whatever the statement you want to print in the output as part of the output. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.